Welcome back to Car Hub, the place where passion meets performance and every new machine has a story worth telling. If you love luxury, innovation, power, and the future of automotive excellence, then you're in the right spot. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into one of the most anticipated unveils of the year. Today, we're taking you inside the world of ultimate luxury as the new next-generation Mercedes-Maybach S-Classe, the W223 series, has officially been revealed, and trust me, this is not just another luxury sedan. This is a rolling masterpiece designed for people who don't just travel, they arrive. From the moment you see it, the new Maybach S-Classe commands presence. The iconic two-tone paint, the chrome-draped grille, the upright Maybach emblem, and the ultra-refined stance all come together to make a statement louder than words. It's not just luxury, it's authority. Mercedes has taken the already impressive W223 S-Classe platform and elevated it into a league of its own, focusing on comfort, craftsmanship, and pure elegance that no other car in this segment can match. As the new generation Maybach glides forward, everything feels precise, intentional, and beautifully sculpted. The signature vertical bar Maybach grille is even more refined now, giving the front end a regal presence. The digital light headlamps shimmer like diamonds, projecting precision lighting that adapts to every driving scenario. Even the side profile is enhanced with chrome elements, softer body lines, and massive wheels up to 21 inches. And of course, the signature Maybach emblem sits proudly on the C-pillar, a symbol of exclusivity that only a select few ever get to experience. But the true magic of the Maybach begins the moment you open the doors. Mercedes has reimagined the concept of interior luxury with this new W223 generation. The cabin greets you like a five-star presidential suite on wheels. Soft closing doors, ambient lighting with millions of color combinations, and a new expanded design language that blends modern digital luxury with old-world craftsmanship. You're surrounded by the world's finest materials, hand-stitched leather, real wood, aluminum accents, and a floating center console that creates a lounge-like atmosphere. Every detail has been considered at the highest level. The seats are not just comfortable, they are wellness machines. They recline almost like business-class aircraft seats, offering heating, cooling, massaging, and even special programs that synchronize with the ambient lights to relax your body and mind. Rear passengers get the full Maybach experience with the Executive Lounge package, where leg rests, tablet controls, champagne coolers, folding tables, and heated cushion pillows turn long journeys into peaceful escapes. Technology is woven into this luxury in a way that feels almost invisible. The new MBUX system takes center stage with a massive old touchscreen, a redesigned instrument cluster, voice control that understands natural speech, and augmented reality navigation that overlays directions directly into your view. The rear passengers also get their own screens, integrated seamlessly into the front seats, making productivity or entertainment effortless. And the 4D Burmester sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, where every note is not just heard but felt. Under the hood, the new Maybach S-Classe continues to deliver effortless power. You get a choice of two major powertrains depending on the market, a silky smooth V8 that blends performance with comfort, and the mighty V12 for those who demand nothing short of the ultimate driving experience. Both engines are paired with Mercedes' advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system for improved grip and stability, ensuring this massive limousine glides like it's floating on air. The suspension system reads the road ahead using cameras, adjusting itself in real time to eliminate bumps before you even feel them. And the rear axle steering adds agility, allowing this long flagship sedan to maneuver like a smaller car. Safety, as expected from Mercedes, is unmatched. The Maybach includes next-generation driver assistance systems, smart airbags, a new collision detection network, and even autonomous driving features in certain markets. The car anticipates danger long before it becomes a threat, ensuring every journey is not just luxurious but secure. One of the most impressive aspects of this new W223 Maybach is how it balances tradition with innovation. The brand has preserved the iconic Maybach soul that stands for exclusivity and craftsmanship. Yet it embraces technology in a way that enhances the experience instead of overwhelming it. It's a car that feels alive, one that responds to your needs, adapts to your preferences, and creates an environment tailored specifically to you. Even the smallest touches elevate this car into something extraordinary. The fragrance system now offers new curated scents. The ambient lights can react to music, the doors can close automatically with a touch, and the panoramic roof transforms the cabin into a bright, airy space. Everything is designed to make you feel special. Whether you're being chauffeured or taking the wheel yourself, the new Maybach S-Class makes every moment feel like a celebration. It's not just transportation, it's a sanctuary on wheels, a status symbol, and a masterpiece of engineering that proves once again why Mercedes-Maybach sits at the top of the luxury world. As the new W223 generation enters the market, it's clear that this is more than a car. It's a statement to the world that true luxury still exists, and it's more refined, more advanced, and more breathtaking than ever before. For the people who demand perfection, this is the car that delivers it quietly, confidently, and undeniably. Thanks for watching Car Hub. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the next generation Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. More incredible machines are on the way, and you don't want to miss what's coming next.